This is my drawing of Stitched Labubu, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. We want to leave a gap in the center. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to come down, bend that across, and just curl that up on the end. Let's go back to the center. Step over towards the right. Do the same thing in the opposite direction, and then curl that up. Let's tuck the eyes in underneath. So on the left side, we're going to step in, draw a half oval. Come down towards the bottom of the eye, round this out, and just tuck that up underneath on the inside. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Now in between the eyes along the bottom, we're going to draw the nose. Start with a curve going up and then down. From the ends, bend the nose coming down and in towards the center point. And then we'll fill the nose in black. Now I'm going to draw the character looking over towards the right side. So let's start on the left, round out the pupil, come down and across, do the same thing on the right side. Now on the top left side of each pupil, we're going to draw a circle for a highlight. Let's come down towards the bottom right and draw a smaller circle. And we'll fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now with the eyes and the nose in place, we're going to move out to the side and draw a large mouth. Let's start on the left side. Curve the mouth coming down, go all the way across the bottom, and then curl that back up towards the right side. Now I'm going to line the bottom of the mouth with the teeth. Let's start in the center. We'll start with the left one. I'm going to come down and up like a V. Go back to the center and do the same thing over towards the right. Now we want to continue to add these teeth going all the way around towards the corners of the mouth. So let's start with the left side. So we just added 4 teeth over on the left. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the center, step up and draw a curve going out around the brow, come down and then out towards the side. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. And pull that out towards the side. Now we're going to add a curve going around the face. On the left side, we're going to step in to create a fold, go around the teeth, pull this in towards the center. Let's go all the way around the right side, and then we'll just tuck that in. Along the top, we're going to add in the nose. Let's start over on the left. We're going to add a curve going up and then bend that down. Let's go back to the left side. Round this out, pull that in towards the bottom, round out the tip, go up towards the right, and then round that out. Let's connect the nose to this curve with a straight line, and we'll add the nostrils. We're going to go up and then down like a half oval. Let's fill the nostrils in black. Now from the nostrils, let's move out towards the left side and draw on the eye. We're going to go up, round out the eye. I just want to pull that in to create a point. Now let's move over towards the right and do the same thing in the opposite direction. Going up, around, and then up. Let's go to the top of each eye and add a circle for a highlight. Now we're going to fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now from the side of the nose, we're going to draw the brow going up and then along the side of the head. So let's start with the left. We're going to go up, around the eye, and then bend that down. Do the same thing on the right, going up and then down towards the side. You want to work our way around the bottom of the head and then in, leaving a gap in the center. So let's start back on the left. We're going to go out, come down, and then bend that in to right about there. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going around the face, coming down towards the bottom, and again, just leaving a gap in between. Let's follow this curve, coming down in between the nose and the mouth, Curve this down underneath the eye. I just want to pull this up along the side of the head. Let's add a fold above the nose. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then down. Now on top of the brow, let's go up and then in towards the middle. We're just going to add some hair. Going this up, then it's down. Let's add another one going out towards the right, back in, and we'll just curve this in behind the brow. Now we'll come back to adding the ears after we've drawn in the body. So let's start underneath the head on the left side, curve the arms coming in and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Now from here, draw the thumb, pulling this in and around and up towards the hands. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. From the left, curve this around like a circle, bend this down. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers along the side. From the top, go around and then in, and do that 1 more time. On the tip of the fingers and the thumb, we draw a small oval. Now in between the thumbs, let's add a curve to close off the body. Now I'm going to go back up and draw the shoulders coming down the forearms. So let's start on the left side. Just going to round up the shoulder and bend that in. Then the arm going out and then down in between the last 2 fingers. Now we're going to have our character sitting on the floor, so the feet are going to stick out along the side. So let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's add the first toe, like a circle, going all the way around and then in, leaving a gap along the bottom. Let's layer 2 more toes in behind. So starting on the side, going all the way around, then up. And we'll do that 1 more time. And then from the bottom, curve the foot coming down and in. Let's add a circle on the bottom of the foot, but we're going to tuck this in behind the hand. And then along the tip of each toe, we draw a small circle. In between the foot and the arm, we're going to see the top edge of the legs. So we're going to start here, bend this up, and then in. Now I'm also going to go back and add a trim along the side. So let's start up here, bend this down, and then in towards the bottom. Now with the body in place, we're going to layer the ears in behind coming down. So let's start from the side of the head, come down and out, and round out the bottom. Now let's go back to the left side. Curve this around and then in behind the foot. Continue up along the inside. And we want to add a notch, going out and then in, and then continue that curve in behind the head. Now I'm going to add a thick edge along the outside of the ear. Starting on the left, just going to taper this down towards the bottom. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Stitch Labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.